Virtual data sources. Virtual data sources have two uses scenarios. They allow you to combine multiple GDBC and GNDI data sources and make them available to the join through a domain. You can combine any number of data sources, including schemas from different databases from different vendors, and different schemas within the same database into a single object. They make Cassandra, Adobe, Web, and MongoDB data sources available in domains. In this case, the virtual data sources act as a wrapper for the data source for big data, with certain limitations described in big data contractors for virtual data sources. A virtual data sources can work a single data source for big data or combine any number of JDBC, GNDI, and big data sources. Once you have created a virtual data source, you create a domain that joins tables across the data sources to define the relationships among the data. Ad hoc views and reports based on the domain can access the combined data transparently. For more information about domains, see the chapter Creating Domains in the Jasper Server Use Guide. See this. When you combine data sources into a virtual data source, you select an alias for each data source you include. This alias is added as a prefix to the tables in the original data source to ensure that table names are unique across the virtual data source. To create a virtual data source, log in as an administrator, click View Repository, expand the folder tree and right click a folder to select Add Resources data source from the context menu. Alternatively, you can select Create data source from the main menu on any page and specify a folder location later. If you have installed the sample data, the suggested folder is data sources. The new data source page appears. In the type field, select data sources. Locate the data source you want to use. The available data sources pane. Double click to select each chosen data source. The data source is shown in the selected data sources plan.